Hi, everyone. Do you want to talk about your family in simple English?
Today we will help you speak clearly, slowly, and confidently.
Easy English.
Easy practice. And
Let's begin. Welcome back to Master in English. We are very happy you are here.
yes! Today we will learn how to talk about your family in English.
Family is an important topic.
And you talk about family all the time.
With friends,
With teachers,
at school,
at work.
so this lesson is very useful
Very important.
and very easy. Let's start with a simple question. Do you have a family?
Yes. And you can answer, yes, I do.
Or, yes, I have a family.
Let's repeat, yes, I have a family. This means your family exists and you are part of it.
If someone asks, do you have a big family?
You can say, yes, I have a big family.
Or no, I have a small family.
Very simple answers.
Now let's learn the basic family words.
Yes, the easy family vocabulary.
Mother,
Father,
brother,
sister,
parents,
children,
son,
daughter,
husband.
wife,
Let's repeat slowly.
mother,
Father, mother equals mom, father equals dad. Now let's make simple sentences.
I will say a sentence. You repeat it.
Great idea.
This is my mother. Use my to show who she belongs to.
This is my father.
I have one brother.
I have two sisters.
Very good.
Very simple English. Let's talk about how to describe your family.
Yes. Many people want to describe their family.
For example, my family is big,
Or my family's small.
or my family is kind.
Or my family is funny.
You can also say, we are 4 people in my family. We are 4 people means 4 members total.
Or we are 6 people.
This is very easy to say.
Now let's practice a real conversation.
Yes, a simple, natural conversation about family.
I will ask questions.
And I will answer step by step.
Emma, do you have a big family?
No, I have a small family. Small family means few members.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family. This means 4 family members total.
Who are they?
My mother, my father, my brother, and me. Me means you are included in the family count. Now you try at home.
Say, there are 5 people in my family.
Great job.
Nice and easy.
Let's talk about parents.
Parents means mother and father together. Parents equals mom plus dad.
You can say, my parents are kind,
Or my parents are strict.
or my parents are friendly.
Or my parents work very hard.
Let's practice.
Emma, what does your mother do?
My mother is a teacher. What does your mother do? Her job?
And your father?
My father is a driver.
Great.
Very natural English.
Now let's talk about brothers and sisters.
Yes, brothers and sisters are called siblings. Siblings equals brothers plus sisters.
But for beginners, just say brother or sister.
Very true.
Emma, do you have any brothers?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you have any sisters?
No, I don't have a sister. Don't have means 0.
Easy English.
Very easy. Now let's learn how to describe each family member.
Yes, describe means talk about the person.
For example, my mother is nice. My father is tall. My brother is funny. My sister is smart.
Repeat with me. My mother is kind. Kind means friendly, good.
My father is strong.
My sister's helpful.
My brother is young.
Good job.
You are improving.
Now let's learn how to talk about age.
Yes, very useful.
You can say, she is 40 years old.
Or, he is 10 years old.
Emma, how old is your mother?
My mother is 45 years old.
And your father?
My father is 48 years old.
Easy English.
Very easy. Now let's talk about hobbies and likes.
Yes. This makes your family story interesting.
You can say, my mother likes cooking. My father likes watching TV. My sister likes reading books. My brother likes football.
Repeat the sentence. My family likes spending time together. Spending time means being together.
You can also talk about what your family does every day.
These are called daily routines.
For example,
My mother wakes up early.
my father goes to work at 9.
My brother goes to school.
My sister studies at home.
Very useful English.
Very easy to say.
Now let's do a long, real conversation about family.
Yes, practice is the best way to learn.
Emma, tell me about your family.
Sure, my family is small. There are 4 people in my family.
Who are they?
My mother, my father, my brother, and me.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a teacher. She teaches children.
What does your father do?
My father is a driver. He drives a bus.
Nice. What about your brother?
My brother is a student. He goes to school every day.
That's great. What do they like to do?
My mother likes cooking. My father likes watching TV. My brother likes playing football.
Very good. And do you all spend time together?
Yes, we eat dinner together every night.
That's beautiful.
Thank you. Now it's your turn.
Answer these questions in your mind, or say them out loud.
How many people are in your family?
Who are they?
What do they like?
What do they do?
Say it slowly.
Say it clearly.
You can do it. Final tips.
Use simple sentences.
Use my often.
For example, my mother, my brother, my family.
Speak slowly.
Repeat often.
Practice makes you confident.
And confidence makes English easy.
Thank you for learning with us today on Master in English.
We hope this helped you talk about your family with confidence.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel
Like the video.
and leave a comment.
See you in the next lesson.